It was Christmas Eve at the Parker family's house. Mom and Dad were putting the final touches on the Christmas tree. The shiny ornaments glowed in the soft light.
I can't wait to see what gifts we get this year. I hope I get the big dollhouse.
I bet that big one is for me. Maybe it's a super fast race car.
You'll have to wait until tomorrow to find out. But remember, Christmas isn't just about presents.
It's not? Then what's it about?
Did I hear someone say presents are the most special part of Christmas? Well, think again, friends.
Peppy, you're here.
Hey, Peppy. If it's not presents, then what is it? Tell us.
Oh, it's time for a Christmas challenge. I'm going to show you the true gift of Christmas. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, friends. For this challenge, you'll each have to find a way to give a special gift from the heart.
A gift from the heart? Like a drawing?
But I want to get presents, not give them.
Trust me, Jake. Sometimes giving a gift can feel even better than getting one. Now, go think of something special to give.
Lily stood by her bed, thinking hard about what gift she could give. Her eyes landed on her big dollhouse, the one she loved the most.
I bet Emma would love this dollhouse. She's never had one before.
Lily's heart felt warm as she imagined Emma's smile. Lily knew she had found her special gift.
Are those for us, Dad?
Nope, these are for Mr. Thompson down the street. He's spending Christmas alone this year, so we're bringing him a surprise.
Can I help? Let's make it the best cookie box ever.
With Dad's help, Jake learned how sweet it feels to give to someone in need.
Look at these two Christmas champions. Lily, tell us about your gift.
I'm giving my dollhouse to Emma because I know she'll love it.
That's a gift from the heart, Lily. Jake, what about you?
We made a box of cookies for Mr. Thompson, so he'll have something sweet this Christmas.
Now that is Christmas magic. Giving from the heart is the most wonderful gift of all.
That night, they walked through the snow together as a family. Lily felt warm inside, knowing Emma would be so happy. Jake's heart felt full, knowing Mr. Thompson wouldn't feel lonely.
Snowflakes, friends, and big hearts. Now that's Christmas magic.
And so, Lily and Jake learned that the true gift of Christmas isn't found under the tree. It's found in the love we give to others.